In this video, we're going to take a look at this Samsung 256 gigabyte flash drive. Now, this flash drive is supposed to hit speeds up to 400 megabytes per second, which is basically in SSD speed territory. But after I got it and unboxed it, I ran some speed tests. It comes in FAT32. I reformatted to exFAT and Mac OS Extended, and I was unable to hit any speeds faster than a write speed of 115 megabytes per second and 315 on the read side, which was really disappointing because I got this to move large video files and to use it as a way to store my extra project files while I'm working on a project. And sometimes I also have music projects, and it's just nice to have a small flash drive like this instead of getting out a whole SSD and having to use a cable. Sometimes it's nice to just take up one port on your computer and have something really small and sleek. Aside from the speed issue, this is a really compact, useful flash drive if you're not moving crazy big files around like I was going to be. This flash drive is available in both 64, 128, and 256 gigabyte sizes. I was able to move about 22 gigs of files in around 3 minutes, which isn't terrible, but it should be about 4 times faster than that. So I was kind of disappointed not to hit the speed that I thought I was paying for. This flash drive is nice and small. It has a removable cap when you plug it into the computer. I wish they included a little string to hold the cap onto it when you're not using it, because it seems like the cap could get lost really easy. So ultimately, I'm going to be returning this flash drive because it's just not quite as fast as what I wanted for my uses. I was looking for something small and compact that would be a great way to quickly back up video files for a project I'm working on. If you're not worried about hitting 400 megabytes per second on the write and the read, I have links for this flash drive in the description below. Otherwise, leave a comment for me of what flash drive you would recommend that can hit somewhere in that 400 megabyte per second speed on a MacBook Pro. Thanks for watching this video. Give it a like and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any upcoming content.